Hey, what's up, everyone? Obby Trades here with another pre-market watch list session. Top two watches going into today are probably going to be an RXP and an AOV. This one I think is going to be more of a later play, sort of like a weak open red to green move. That's what I'm going to keep my eye out on. Got a small account, so I'm not crazy about $22 a share. NAOV, on the other hand, is hanging around the highs from its Friday squeeze, so that's really cool. I think that's going to be primed for a dip and rip type of play. Let's see, I just want to get a little bit more of an idea on this volume profile. 280s is kind of like this point of control here. It looks like, well, that's like the upper extremity. Point of control is actually way down there. That's fine. That looks good. Let's look at some of the other gappers that are happening right now. Got IMV and time. IMV kind of spiking up to threes. It's I don't think it's got any specific news other than Friday's Wells Fargo resumes IMV at overweight with $14 price target. So this had a spike early in the pre, I guess, and we're kind of just hanging around here. I don't really have a plan at the moment. I'm just sort of watching it. I think I did a trade on IMV, right? Yeah, I did two. One was a fail, and then one was a good one. So I'm up about $4 on the day on that. I'm going to show you those. One of those trades, I got to go to the 1 minute chart to see it, was here when I thought it was gonna curl and break out. So I bought here at like the 250s, 251, I think. And then when it faked out, I was like, no, can't do that, which is whatever. And VWAP is actually hanging around like somewhere here. So chalk it up to improper risk levels and just wanting the trade to work immediately. If I wasn't expecting to break out of 270, so I didn't want to risk that much. So I re-entered here at 250 something, 254, 250, 257 on this pull up after I had confirmation, and you see the volume increasing, and then I ended up selling at 267 or something. Could have made a little bit more. I think it was this candle too when it started to pull back. So I was like, okay, that's going to be the rejection of this high test, which not quite. I was off by a couple minutes, but lock it in, play it safe, right? So now we're kind of hanging around here. I'm interested to see where this goes. If this can break that 280 zone, interested, right? This is like the day one, so definitely keeping an eye on this. Did we look at time? I think we looked at time. XBio. Nope, you don't want to go for me? All right. XBio had this crazy run, 230s to 4s, and it's kind of just swiveling around here. Not digging this lower low, so I want to see this kind of hang back up around here. I think I want to see over 380, maybe. I'm not sure what to do with this one, to be honest. If we go to daily chart and this big gap up, and now we're hanging around the 330s. This puts us around here. On the daily, we have this upper extreme being the 350s. So it doesn't mean it can't go higher. Maybe we retest Friday's high. So that's something to look at. What else we got? Talked about NAOV. DYNT, I'm not so sure that I'm interested in. This was earlier runner. But this has just been kind of sagging. So I'm not really interested when it kind of breaks this, and now support became resistance, and we're just, looks like we're probably going to fall all the way back to this 130 zone. There's some size selling coming in around here. That's about all I got. Other things, actually put together a real watch list today. So I'm gonna keep this updated. I'll put a link to it in the description if you're interested. These are just trade ideas. you know, highlighted are the ones that I like the most. AACG, SPRT. I'll pull down this chart so you can see SPRT I like. You know, breaking this high of 695 or 7. This looks to be pretty promising. AACG, still looking for breakout of 480. So we'll see. We talked about SPRT, LXU, Seed. I don't think I see LXU still kind of hanging around here. So we'll see how this goes. But this has been running up on light volume, which is really super, super interesting to me. I'm wondering if we're going to see like a big blow off top sort of run. Seed. Yeah, I don't think Seed's going to do it today. But Seed was one that's kind of like closed around that $10 resistance. I wanted to see if we could open up. IGC and IPA, I'm just kind of looking for bounce moves. That's really what it is. I don't know that it's going to happen. They're not looking great for it. IGC. I always get the tickers wrong. You know, it's okay. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy about this, but it might pull a bounce today. And IPA, another one. I mean, this is such a weak pre-market move, so we'll see. But that's the idea. Looking for bounces on those two. That's all I got for the watch list, guys. Let me know what you got your eye on. If you took any good trades, I want to hear about it. And in the meantime, I'll catch you in the next video. Aubrey, out.